इट इज़ ऑलवेज बेटर, आई वुड से दैट कि हम लोगों का गाना जो कॉज के लिए था, तो जब मुझे बताया गया कि इस शो के लिए आना है, तो मी एंड पिंकी बोथ वर वेरी हैप्पी टू ज्वाइन द कॉज अगेन, क्योंकि इट इज़ ऑलवेज बेटर कि पब्लिक अवेयरनेस में कोई भी चीज़ आपकी जाती है तो इट शुड बी प्रेजेंटेड इन द राइट वे। एंड आई थिंक फैशन मीडिया से भी जब मुझे ये प्रपोजल आया तो आई थॉट कि हम लोग का गाना भी एक आउट ऑफ द ब्लू है, जिसमें हम लोगों ने सारे बाल शेव कर दिए हैं फॉर कैंसर पेशेंट्स के। तो आई वुड थैंक वाइब्रेंट फॉर गिविंग अस दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू कम हियर एंड परफॉर्म फॉर अ कॉज। जी, ये गाना वीनस ने किया हुआ है रिलीज, और गाना है होती है यूं सनसनी बदन में, रुआ रुआ जलता है, मस्ती में जब झूमने लगे दिल, ऐसे में सब चलता है, जोशीला दिन रात नशीली है, हंगामा तो हंगामा, हंगामा क्यों ना करे, ये गाना है।
अमेजिंग,
थैंक यू सो मच।
मैं पिंकी का बहुत आभारी हूँ कि ये लोग इतने फेमस लोग हैं और हमारे स्टूडेंट शो के लिए आए। हमारे स्टूडेंट के शो को 4 चांद लग गया, और जैसे उन्होंने कहा उनका भी कॉज है, उन्होंने इट्स अ बिग बोल्ड स्टेप के कैंसर के लिए अवेयरनेस के लिए वो अपना बाल शेव कर लेती है। तो इट्स अ वेरी नाइस इनोवेटिव फ्रॉम योर साइड, एंड सेम वे आई एम हैप्पी दैट INFB Bandra also is trying to make social awareness with all the important causes that are troubling the society. So we are on the same page.
Rival, how do you feel the causes associated with the INFB Bandra? What do you have to say about this?
I think it's a perfect combination. I mean, cancer awareness, yeah, koi bhi cause, you know, INFB Bandra, I think they're doing an amazing job at this, and you have a fantastic voice.
Thank you.
And I've always associated myself with a cause. Our New York Fashion Week was based on environmental awareness. We have been, and I've been supporting a sustainable fashion for a very long time in the industry. So I think it's all of us put together. It's a perfect synergy happening here, and I'm just lucky to be part of this fantastic group of people.
Thank you very much.
So, yeah.
I would like to welcome Preeti Pinky. I have grown up hearing their songs, so you know it's very special for them to be here, and they are supporting this cause, you know, social awareness in whatever manner it may be. Now they are talking about cancer, we are talking about road safety, we are talking about racism, HIV/AIDS. So we are all in this together. You know, we are all in this together, and we have such amazing people over here today who are going to help us judge and, you know, make this event so beautiful. So INFB Bandra is really happy to welcome all of you today, and thank you so much for being there. Thank you.
Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I normally come at the end of the show and speak a few words, but this time I thought I should come earlier, because by the time the jury has decided, the audience has seen the show. What's important to know is a lot goes behind this show. This is a student show, not a professional show. There are about 160 students who work very hard, tirelessly for 6 months to put up this collection. So there could be hiccups. As I said, students of first year, second year, and third year are grouped together to have the garments displayed over here. So it's a teamwork. It's not very easy for you to see the show. That's a final product. It's very easy. Okay. Pooja Bedi also was supposed to come today, but she came back from New York yesterday and she fell ill, unfortunately. But she sends her good wishes. I think Nisha will, if possible, play a message from her. And Parveen ji, we are very honest. Parveen Dabas, his movie is just released today, Mirror Now. And give a big round of applause for him. His movie is just released today, and he's graced our occasion, so we are very proud to have you with us. Thank you very much. And also a small note that INFB Bandra works in a different league. We don't compete with anyone. We compete with ourselves. I'm very proud of my students and their family. I love my students and that's what INFD Bandra is made of, you know. So we are proud of INFD Bandra. And last but not the least, we are ever growing, right? We are ever growing. And our 1 point ambition is what we can do better for the students. So this year, thanking Vishakha ma'am who's here, Vishakha Bhujbal is here. Please give her a big round of applause. They have been kind enough to give us a place at MET Bandra. MET is a wonderful, wonderful institute. Can we have a small presentation of MET, please? About 10,000 square feet campus. They have been very kind to us. They are very supportive. And I'm sure with their help and guidance, we will rock. We are going to become the best college in fashion in Mumbai. I promise you that. Okay? Not wasting any more time of yours. Thank you very much once again. Please note, there's only a small request. Along with good things comes a little discipline. MET requires a kind of a dress code. There are about 2,500 students MET has. Okay? I know you are fashion students. I don't want you to change your dress style, but please, as the normal colleges, we have a small dress code. Do not wear clothes that can disturb others. Let's put it that way, okay? So I know you're all beautiful people. I always tell every meeting, I say, INFD Bandra is the most beautiful people around, you know. But keep your beauty to you. And clothes, we can manage. Inside the institute, absolutely no problem, but we must respect MET's culture also. Thank you very much, and God bless.
Thank you very much, Mr. Nawaz, for the warm and cordial welcome. You were so beautifully putting these restrictions forward, giving it a very, very palatable and acceptable framework. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, post-demonetization, I've seen people using less and less fabric for their outfits. We'll have to save a little more money and invest in a little more fabric for all our outfits henceforth, especially if you're students of the new campus at INFD Bandra and MET. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's not say that demonetization has resulted in being giving us less. We're going to give you a little more fashion. We're giving.
Okay, roller?
Yes.
Everyone rolling?
Yeah.
प्रवीण जी, सबसे पहले तो जानना चाहेंगे हम सभी यहाँ पर एक इनिशिएटिव के मौके पर हम सभी यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट हैं। आप बताइए आपका क्या टेक है, आपका क्या ख्याल आता है?
क्या ख्याल आता है? फैशन शो है, स्टूडेंट्स को बढ़ावा देना है। कल के फैशन स्टाइलिस्ट हैं और इसमें काफ़ी क्या कहते हैं अच्छे मोटिव्स भी उन्होंने डाले हैं अपने जो फैशन डिज़ाइंस वगैरह हैं, तो इनको बढ़ावा देने के लिए आए हैं।
स्टूडेंट्स की अगर मैं बात करूँ, स्टूडेंट्स को कुछ टिप्स देना चाहेंगे कुछ?
मेरे ख्याल से मुझे स्टूडेंट से कुछ टिप्स लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि काफ़ी टैलेंटेड स्टूडेंट्स हैं और फैशन के बारे में लगता है काफ़ी कुछ जानते हैं, तो शोज़ के बाद मैं उनसे कुछ टिप्स लूँगा।
आपकी फिल्म की अगर मैं बात करूँ, मिरर गेम रिलीज़ हो चुकी है, आप बताइए क्या रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है लोगों को?
आज तो पहला दिन है, काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है एंड ट्रेलर को भी काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिला था एंड आज पहला दिन है तो काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स है, तो बाकी वीकेंड के बाद देखते हैं।
इंडस्ट्री से कुछ कमेंट आया फिल्म देखने के बाद लोगों का कि ये फिल्म में ये जो शॉट है इस तरह की?
हाँ, एकता ने भी उसके बारे में ट्वीट किया था, एकता कपूर ने, उसको काफ़ी अच्छा लगा था, ट्रेलर वगैरह काफ़ी अच्छा है और कई लोग ट्वीट कर चुके हैं उसके बारे में, तो इंडस्ट्री से जो रिस्पॉन्स है वो काफ़ी अच्छा है।
आने वाले में आपका भी क्या कुछ प्रोजेक्ट देखेंगे हम, आपके क्या धमाका करने वाले हैं?
इसके अलावा मेरी कुलदीप पटवाल मूवी रिलीज़ हो रही है एंड मधुर भंडारकर की हिंदू सरकार में भी स्पेशल अपीयरेंस है, लेकिन मैं ज़रूर बोलना चाहूँगा कि मैं यहाँ पे स्कूल के इनके फैशन स्कूल के लिए आया हुआ हूँ एंड आई हैव टू कंग्रेचुलेट सर,
थैंक यू वेरी मच
फॉर यू नो पुटिंग टुगेदर अ ग्रेट, अभी तो शो चल ही रहा है एंड कम प्लीज एंड मैम they put together a really fantastic show, so I have to congratulate them. I have come here to support the students and tomorrow's fashionistas. जैसे मैं बोल रहा था कि मुझे उनसे कुछ टिप्स लेने चाहिए, so you know I want to wish them all the best.
नहीं, आप आए and it's been a grace to us because you see when students are doing a fantastic work, people like him from the industry, they come as a morale booster for us. So it's really very kind of him to come on such a busy schedule, and I'm sure the students will learn a lot and they'll appreciate him and his film surely.
Thank you so much. Thank
प्रवीण
you.
जी, क्योंकि ये कॉज का मौका है, तो कोई एक सोशल कॉज का अगर आप मैसेज देना चाहें, अगर आप
मैं ये ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगा, जो पहला शो है दैट इज़ अबाउट सेव आवर सीज, एंड आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन वेरी पैशनेट अबाउट द सी, सो वो कनेक्शन काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है मेरे साथ. आई एम अ स्कूबा डाइवर एंड अंडर वाटर फोटोग्राफर ऑल्सो. आई हैव टेकन अ लॉट, सो आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फीलिंग्स फॉर द सी. एंड हाल ही में मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि वर्सोवा बीच मिस्टर अफरोज शाह ने साफ़ किया था. It's really commendable. He's one of the real heroes of Mumbai and our country. He's shown the way forward, and the same way students are showing the way forward by using, there are a lot of people in the fashion world who are using biodegradable or things which are stuck in the sea and using them for fashion and material and everything to take that waste out of the sea. So I think it's a really good cause and one needs to support it.
मैडम कॉज को लेकर आपका कोई एक ऐसा मैसेज?
Firstly, INFD Bandra is so pleased to have Mr. Parveen Dabaz here with us today. Such a big celebrity, and he's honored us with his presence. So INFD Bandra thanks him and welcomes him. And I, on behalf of the more than 150 students of INFD Bandra, would like to welcome him. Regarding the theme, yes, as we have discussed, it's all about social awareness today, and fashion is the most beautiful medium to get across the message in a very, very subtle yet impactful way. So, we are just doing our bit for the society today, and we hope it sends a strong message out.
चलिए, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. दो मिनट का कोई तो रोक नहीं सकता आज अपनी जिंदगी जीने से.
Hands together for our design team: Avni Garg, Chandani Gudnani, Shilpa Naik, Nikita Jadhav, Riya Vasa, Shaheen Khan, Rushil Sai, Riya Jain, Sabiha Kachwala, Zalak Kosar, Vrishti Kosar, and Jayashree Nanda. At Vibrant's 2017 Fashion Week Cause a New Awakening, the annual graduation show of